Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steven. This is a scuba driver. That's a Subaru. We got it in full flex mode right now, and I'll go ahead and answer the title of that thumbnail. No, we're not trading the Subaru. The FRS is here to stay. Truth be told, I'll probably keep that car forever, even if I end up getting another car, another daily driver, bigger car, whatever it is. But I got something I got to do for work today and this weekend, so I need a bigger car. So we're going to go trade this out for something I really like. So I'm bringing you guys along with me, and I'll show you what we're getting. All right, time to stop flexing on the neighbors. Door down. We'll hop in here. It's getting easier by the day, I'll tell you that. It's very easy to close. All right, let's head and pick up the car. All right, guys, we're picking up the car. This is what we're swapping out the FRS for today. This is my sister's giant SR5 Toyota 4RUNNER. We've got a lift on it. We've got tires. We've got stance. We've got wheels. We're blacked out all the way around. She's got all of her windows tinted, including her windshield, and then she's got the full HID headlights. I'll show you guys that at night or in the parking garage later. They're super bright. But yep, we're trading the old FRS for the 4RUNNER for the next couple of days. So I'll make sure I film this a little bit and show you guys all around it. But for now, we got to get to work. We're gonna hop in this and we're gonna head downtown. We're gonna load this car up and take it all to the convention center. I'll see you guys soon. All right, we got the AC cranking. Got the scuba right there, you can barely see it. Look how tall this thing is, I'll show you in a second. I'm not used to driving a big truck like this. But look how small the Subaru is compared to this thing. That thing is way down there, we could easily run it over. All right, let's head downtown, get this monster truck loaded up. All right, guys, we are in the beautiful city of downtown Charlotte here, heading to the convention center. If you guys didn't know, I actually work downtown, so I get to see these beautiful tall buildings every day, and then I get to go home to the middle of nowhere. I live about 40 minutes east of here, and out in the middle of nowhere, so I get the best of both worlds. But we're almost at the convention center. It's just right up here, and we get to go underground and take all the stuff I have loaded in the 4RUNNER down there with us. But man, it is a perfect day out here, except it's about 95 outside, so it feels good in the car though. All right, I'll see you in a second. Here we have it. We are at the Charlotte Convention Center. We got a guy walking down the sidewalk here, but we are going underground here, guys. Let's see what this is all about. Well, now we are in the super secret part of the underground of where the Charlotte Convention Center is. This place is humongous. I'm just driving this monster truck through here. Jessica, my sister, you would really like this because I just talked to the security guards for a couple of minutes while they wrote down my information and got my tag number, booth number, all of that. But you got some really good compliments on your car. They said it's sitting just right. It's not too tall, sitting nice. They really like the tires and wheels on it. So good job, Jessica. Good job, Landon. All right, let's focus on where we're going here. We're gonna go all the way around and park and set up, and I'll show you guys the truck and how much I loaded up. So we finally got parked. And this is what we have to unload. I have this entire truck just completely full of collagen peptides. Tons of stuff to give away at the Southern Women's Show in Charlotte. We're here at the Charlotte Convention Center. So, luckily my sister let me use this truck, so it's gonna make my life way easier. I still have about probably 10 loads I have to take into that gate over there and all the way through this giant convention center until I can finally take this thing back. But I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna leave you in the car. Day number 2. I'm back. We're back at the Subaru finally. Oh man, I feel like I could just drive right over that thing. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that's how small my car is. We are back and flexing on my mom's neighbors, probably embarrassing her. That's okay. Man, just one day without it, I really miss it. But really enjoyed driving Jessica's 4RUNNER. This thing is humongous.
Drives really, really nice. It's nice and smooth. It's extremely quiet. Like, you cannot hear the engine at all. The tires don't make any noise. Drives really perfect. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Should I start doing more videos with Jessica's car? Should we take it off-roading? I have no idea if my sister even watches these videos, but if she does, should we take your car off-roading? I say we take it mudding, see what it can really do. Because I don't think this thing's ever really seen any mud or anything before. It's always fairly clean. Or should we see if we can get a race between a 4Runner and an FRS? Who do you guys think would win? I got my money on the FRS, but who knows, it might be closer than you think. Anyways, we're gonna head home now. See you guys when I get back. Yet again, we have the 4Runner. Had to use it to unload. I'm about to go trade out the 4Runner for the FRS again, but we are home. Anyways, guys, it's Monday, so what that means, my contest for the Diecast model car giveaway is actually over. I've already picked my 2 winners, so we're gonna announce them right now, so stay tuned. Alright, so drum roll. The winner for the Toyota Supra, Brian's Toyota Supra from the Fast and the Furious, it's gonna be FlyRS 1.0 on Instagram. Congratulations, Jonah. I'm gonna send you a DM, get your address, and I will make sure I send you this Toyota Supra in the next few days here. Congratulations. So winner number 2. And winner number 2 for Brian's Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. It's gonna be Car Guy DC. Congratulations, Dave. We're gonna send you this nice Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. That'll look good for you. Alright, congratulations, guys. Like I said, I'll send you guys both a DM and we'll get these cars sent to you. Congratulations. I cannot wait to do some more contests, some more giveaways like this in the future. Thanks again for you guys, all of your support. Thanks for watching these videos. Follow me on Instagram, participating on there. Stay tuned. I'm sure once I hit about 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably do another giveaway, something like this. So shoot me some comments below. Let me know what you guys want for next giveaway. Stay reasonable, but I think I want to do some more giveaways like this. I think it's a lot of fun. But yep, congratulations, you two. Can't wait to send you guys these cars. We've got some more videos coming very, very soon, so let me know what you guys want to see. Until next time, I'll see you later. Peace.